is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Tuesday, May 8th. Market's a little weaker than we probably expected. We thought maybe they might try to hold that fourth wave triangle low. Didn't happen. Here in front of us is our learncrypto.io pulse the market crypto software showing the consolidated volume on a 5-minute basis. I mentioned yesterday when price came down, volume did not. That happened again today. Price came down quickly. Volume is still holding higher levels. So that's something to watch. Volume's not supporting this sell-off. So technometer is around 44 and change, so not at a buy level. So again, something that we'll just monitor. Here is Bitcoin. As you know, let's go in. Look at the 2-hour. Still looking for this A, B, C to the upside, somewhere above 12,000, 12,500. Trying to figure out where the first rally is over, and it might be this is the way we left it yesterday. Which again shows if we didn't rally, that we could have fell down to the 9,000 level. We did come down to 9,050. So I do think probably somewhere down here, and maybe already, that we're just going to test these lows, still come back up, maybe for an ABC back to 9,600. And then you can see that then that might entail another sell-off down to this 8,500 support. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Maybe we've had the 5 waves up for an A. Excuse me. Man, Hellman calling. He's going to have to wait. So if that's the case, and we're looking for this B wave down. Again, guys, this can take a lot of different forms, so don't act like if this has started, we're headed to 8,500. I've heard some people saying that, but also would like to show you this was an A, B, C up, and you can see the B wave was a triangle. So didn't give you much a chance to be looking for a pullback, anything of the sort. So you can see here, you know, any of these sell-offs, that was it. The lows were in. So if that happens here, I mean, this could be a low here. We could go back up, do a high-level triangle, run to 12,000. That's why I'm saying you got to be careful not to miss the real move to what I think is 12,000. If I'm wrong on that, you're going to definitely want to be selling here. But so far, I'm still comfortable that we're headed higher. Surprises to the upside. I keep saying that. So we shall see. Let's go a few more coins here. Bitcoin Cash had a nice run to 1850. Still impressed the way it's holding in here. Sorry, I got some alarms going off on the stocks. Still impressed the way it jumped this resistance to 1570 and holding right there. So I still think that goes higher. Dash coming down, maybe springing this previous low. Wyckoff buy springs and uptrends. This one has been in an uptrend. That'll be one still to watch. Classic 2253 coming down to support of the uptrend. Been a good coin. Got back into the trading range above 21. I still like that. Ethereum did that break yesterday to below 700, rallied back to 775. And when Bitcoin broke this morning, it just came down and did a 713 or so. So a higher low. So again, this one, you know, could mouse up to still above 800 again if these things stay firm here. Worst case scenario, we drop down to 600, I think, on the way to maybe 900. So Litecoin 159.50. Same thing here. Could do a triangle up here. Could do an ABC flat. Could come down all the way maybe to 140, 138. Scare some people. I still think surprises to the upside, so not anxious to trade that much. NEO broke the uptrend. Much more sideways here. I still think that one will dig in and surprise you somewhere here. OMG 16. Same type of chart. Slow it up a little bit. Ripple, same chart. Could easily be some sideways reaccumulation here for higher levels. We'll look for a sign of strength somewhere here in the near future. ADA down 2%. Still a great chart, taking a well-deserved rest. EOS has not broken out of this little triangle up here between the 16.5 and 19. Still holding in pretty well. While we're here, let's bring up E-Boost. We talked about that in last night's show with Hitman Hellman. Continuing to work higher. That's a 10 to 70 here in April, first part of May. So that one's came back alive. XLM USD down 4% today. Been pretty well. Taking a rest again, like some of these other coins look like. XVG 74.4, still holding in. Be nice to see that one hold here and work higher. Zen USD. We talked about maybe springing this 36.28 level. We did that just ever so minor. You know, I don't think it hurts to own this one. Would like to buy it on a pullback. ZRX, $1.67. Ran to $1.86 or so. Still performing unbelievably well. We all know what the news could be in there. Won't spread that news, but that coin's acting like something's going on behind the scenes. Let's go over a few more here. We got TRX USD holding nicely after a big run. So got to be happy with that if you're owning that one. BQX up 14% today. Here's one of those chart patterns, not quite as strong. We come down here, test the lows. Good volume right back up. Now we could blow through the highs. So again, some of these coins I think are oversold. That's what you're going to get. ONT BTC holding gains strongly. And let's do AMB BTC. Same thing, holding gains. ZIL BTC goes to a new high. That's been one the community's been watching. Really nice run there. One we haven't watched is BNB. That one's definitely slowed up, really sideways since March 23rd. Should have done a little bit better than that, so that's one maybe to watch. We've got a few people watching NEBL. Still okay. Encash, same thing. Talked about quite a bit, was performing well, but has slowed up. Be nice to see that one dig in somewhere here. And here's POA BTC, one from our good friend Gary that he liked down there at 6.25. Still acting well. Looks like it's going to break above the 85, I would say. Get things moving to the upside again. And yesterday, Gary mentioned Lend USD. Came down a little bit here. That's the 1 hour. I don't have the price on this. For some reason it didn't save. Where he was recommending it last night, I think it was really right around these levels. So that's all for now. I think Nick and I will be back in about 4.5 hours. Should be on our usual 6:30 Central Standard Time. And look forward to it later.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.